an alternative learning system. It is a program educating the poor, the marginalized, the lost, the least, and the last of the society. It tries to improve society, community through education.
Alternative learning system has a different program, which is basic literacy program, elementary, secondary, and informal education.
Kapasar ko sa ALS na makakuha nung kinabuhi ba sa pangalan na maangat nung kinabuhi gani.
Gusto ko na mahumanap ay gusto ko makakaw mag-eskwela para magdayon akong pangarap na maabot. Ano lang.
Kasi mostly sa aming mga learners dito ay mga membrong hanggang. Karamihan, meron din mga GRO. So after how many months na session namin, talagang makita mo talaga sa kanila ang pagbabago.
La Paz, as one of our starting points for global expansion, is situated in the coastline of Carmen, Davao del Norte, and Mindanao, has been a home to a multicultural and community of Muslim, Christian, and indigenous people.
In the future, wala nang learners, wala nang resident ng La Paz na walang edukasyon, na illiterate.
My dear teachers, I salute you for your hardship and endeavor. I hope that it will continue and it will grow.
Unlike in La Paz, people in Talaingod faces a different challenge when it comes to education. We personally experience how difficult it is to travel from the community to the school. Well, aside from the geographical remoteness of the community of Talaingod, there is also the presence of government rebels, which also hinders the people of Talaingod to study and to go to school.
Hindi na kayo ang pupunta sa school, kayo na ang pinuntahan ng school. So i-grab ninyo ang opportunity na makatapos kayo sa inyong pag-aaral.
Si kanta kunta ako nakit mapakalikay ako di akit pagtabubunga so kanta kuntaan kay kita gobrino kuntaan. Si kakat pa rin kamutan tatag pa iskwila ka kantan anak sudakol ka gobrino kuntaan nagtabang kanta.
Usa kadakong pribilehiyo alang sa mga taga-sityo na Silaban nga sa kadaghang lugar sa Davao del Norte kita ang napili no ang sityo na Silaban ang napili nga para mahatagan niini nga proyekto gikan sa Global Peace Festival Foundation.
Wala pa nagpanguras na luan at isok nga paya at Manila nagtabang kanta tibo.
Aside from the basic literacy program that GPSF Philippines has to offer, we are also giving them this opportunity that they've all been waiting for, to share an equal life with the society.
And mind me that this is only a seed that will grow, and once it grows, it can shelter several thousands.